There comes a time in every man's life when he starts to appreciate rinsing things off. That's some good rinsing. And when that time comes, you need the RinseKit Pro. The powerful, pressurized, portable parenting hack that every adventurous family needs. Unlike other portable showers, the Pro has 5 spray settings, a 6-foot hose, 6-month battery life with charging capabilities. And it comes ready to rinse. Just add hot or cold water from any source.
The kids are covered in mud.
God, I hope that's mud. Oh, you better run. RinseKit keeps my family cleaner than a dad joke.
Here we go.
My wife doesn't like my water jokes. She likes dry humor. Yeah! So you can do it all again tomorrow. The 5-star reviews speak for themselves. People everywhere love adventuring with RinseKit Pro. What are you waiting for? Click the link to cross the word dirty off your worry list for good with the RinseKit Pro. RinseKit, do more of what you love.